Okay, here we are. I'm going to do some tachometer trials. Our safety valve is letting go at only about 17 psi. So that's our starting point. Take off the exhaust line so we don't have any back pressure problems. Okay, that's working. Here we go. Okay, just a quick test to check the speed running in each direction. Just under 2200. Reverse the engine. Just under 2400. So my timing must be off a little bit. Just take the exhaust hose off and see how much faster it'll go without it. 2500. So my condenser is creating a little bit of back pressure.